Hi, my name is Patricia. So you might be familiar with creating an image, an AI image in ChatGPT or Copilot, or sourcing images from Canva. All of those are great options, but did you know that you can create an image directly here in PowerPoint? Here, when you go up to Insert, and it's at the top left third tab in Pictures, that's where you would insert a picture. For example, you've downloaded from Canva, you can go to this device and upload it. But right underneath there is generate an image. So maybe you need something immediately and you can't get into your typical platform. So I am selecting pictures, then generate an image. And right here in PowerPoint, I can type anything, an image of created by a robot. That's maybe not polite to say, but let's just see what it gives us. And you can here, you notice there is the dictation. So that's fantastic as well. And you see here, it is creating it by Copilot because that is connected with the Microsoft Suite as well. So as I was saying here, you can start dictation if you want to, instead of type, talk. There are some tools here too with Designer and also add content too. So it is Copilot directly here, but you didn't have to go through that Copilot button on the homepage. It also was found here in Pictures under Create an Image. And let's see what it gives us. Now you might want to give some specifications that you want it with a clear background, small image, not taking up the whole slide. And it does take a moment. So this is interesting what it's giving me, and then I'm going to try one more time with some additions, because sometimes I like to have it smaller here in the corner. Copy image is what it's requiring me to do, so I will do that. It also has the plus sign, which is another way. Let's duplicate slide and let's insert. So both ways will give us that option. Adding for sources, which is great. You can look at that too. Add a title to the slide. You can try all of these things. Futuristic design. Let's just see what that does. And it does give a disclaimer: AI generated content may be incorrect. It's adding final touches. It's giving, with every AI platform that we're using, or any search engine and collaborative tool, you get out what you're putting in. So it does still require you to put in specific prompts. So it's given us a clear background, I think, so that I can put it into the corner once it's finished. All right, it is finished now. So I'm going to insert it, and I can remove the other one. So this is perfect. And I didn't have to go to another platform. It's right here directly in PowerPoint. It is using Copilot, and it's giving you prompts as well. Would you like a more holographic, a sleeker, more minimal robot? So it's also going to give you suggestions for prompts, and even some options here where you can just select it and put it forward. So this video was about creating images. I've added some additional layers to that now as well, for you to be able to then use that image that you created right here in PowerPoint and edit it and make it fit into your presentation. Instead of having to go to other tool options, sometimes this is a great way to go. Thanks for checking this out. My name is Patricia Regier.